From liquid latex to life-saving protection, welcome to the world's most advanced condom manufacturing facility. Let's go inside.
Welcome to one of Europe's most sophisticated manufacturing plants, where precision meets healthcare innovation.
It all begins with natural latex, harvested from rubber trees and shipped here in liquid form.
Every batch undergoes rigorous testing. Purity must exceed 99.9% before production begins.
The latex is mixed with stabilizers, antioxidants, and sulfur for vulcanization. The formula is a closely guarded secret.
After mixing, the latex is filtered 3 times to remove any impurities. Temperature and pressure are constantly monitored. Both must remain stable for optimal quality.
Real-time monitoring systems track every parameter. Any deviation triggers immediate alerts.
Once approved, the latex moves to temperature-controlled storage, ready for the production line. Now, the real magic begins. This is the dipping line, where 50,000 condoms are formed every hour.
Each mold is made from medical-grade ceramic glass, designed to create the perfect shape. Before each cycle, the molds are cleaned with purified water and dried instantly.
The molds dip into the latex for exactly 8 seconds. This creates the base layer. As they emerge, excess latex drips away, leaving a perfectly uniform coating. The coated molds pass through a drying tunnel at 100 degrees Celsius.
They're dipped a second time to ensure proper thickness and strength.
Specialized rollers remove any air bubbles, guaranteeing seamless quality.
The beading machine creates the distinctive rolled edge, adding strength to the opening.
In the vulcanization oven, heat and sulfur molecules bond the latex, making it elastic and durable.
Every degree matters. The vulcanization temperature must be exact, or the batch is rejected.
After heating, they're cooled gradually to prevent stress fractures in the material.
Human eyes still play a crucial role. Trained inspectors check for visible imperfections. Robotic arms carefully remove each condom from its mold without damaging the material. They're now ready for the most critical phase, testing. Every single condom passes through 5 levels of testing. Nothing leaves this factory without approval. Level 1, electronic testing. Each condom is electrified. Any hole triggers an immediate rejection.
Defective products are automatically removed and recycled. The failure rate is less than 0.01%.
Level 2, burst testing. Random samples are filled with water until they break. They must hold at least 40 liters.
This one held 52 liters before failure. That's 52,000 times its normal volume.
Level 3, air burst testing. They must expand to at least 25 liters without leaking.
Laser measurement ensures uniform expansion. Any irregularity means batch rejection.
Level 4, tensile strength. The latex must stretch to 7 times its original length without tearing. Samples are aged artificially to test shelf life. They must remain perfect for 5 years. Approved condoms move to the lubrication stage. Medical-grade silicone lubricant is applied in exact quantities. Too much or too little, and the product fails. Environmental conditions are strictly controlled. Humidity and temperature affect product quality. Now begins the journey from factory floor to consumer hands.
Each condom is wrapped individually in medical-grade aluminum foil to preserve freshness.
Robots place each condom perfectly centered. The wrapping must be airtight. Heat sealing creates an impermeable barrier. No oxygen, no moisture can enter.
Every single packet is pressure tested. Even microscopic leaks are detected and rejected. Laser printers mark each packet with batch number, production date, and expiry information for complete traceability. Automated systems assemble various package sizes, from single units to bulk orders. Even the packaging process maintains pharmaceutical standards. Everything must be sterile and tamper-proof. Products are labeled for 47 different countries, in 23 languages, all from this single facility.
Every box is scanned and logged. Complete supply chain transparency from factory to shelf. Pharmaceutical-grade cleanliness is maintained throughout packaging. Every worker follows strict hygiene protocols. Palletizing robots stack thousands of boxes per hour, preparing them for worldwide distribution. Pallets are shrink-wrapped to protect products during international shipping.
Climate-controlled warehouses maintain optimal storage conditions. Temperature never exceeds 25 degrees.
Ensure the pallets are secured for the Shanghai shipment.
Yes, stacking the final boxes now. Keep the flow moving. The next truck is waiting.
Research teams develop thinner, stronger materials. The latest generation is 40% thinner than 10 years ago.
Environmental sustainability is priority. New biodegradable formulas break down in months, not years.
Artificial intelligence now predicts potential defects before they occur, improving quality by 30%.
The facility runs on 70% renewable energy. Manufacturing responsibility extends beyond the product.
Zero waste policy means every rejected product is recycled into industrial rubber products. Water used in production is treated and recycled. 95% of water is reused in the manufacturing process.
Continuous training ensures every employee understands their role in global health protection.
The factory holds certifications from every major health organization worldwide. From this facility alone, over 1 billion condoms reach users annually, protecting millions of lives.
This is the dosage you need for the next 5 days. Make sure to keep the vaccine card updated.
Thank you, doctor. We appreciate the help.
Ternos. This soap is essential for preventing the spread of disease. By washing your hands regularly, especially before preparing food,
Behind every product is a dedicated team committed to quality, safety, and global health.
You see how the pressure correlates with the temperature reading there?
Yes, I see it now. It's stable.
This is modern manufacturing at its finest, where precision, technology, and purpose create something essential. From liquid latex to life-saving protection, every step matters. Every product counts. Inside the factory you've never seen before, where science, technology, and care create products that